Very good evening.
My name is Tishant, and today I will talk about which type of person I will meet in my life. So, first, he has no attitude, and he believes don't dreaming, doing working, only doing working. Second thing is like he respect the elders and he obey their parents, he obey their grandparents, he deny he and he can't deny their friends like anything in anything. And the third thing is like he always respect their siblings and even those are like elders and youngers. So these types of things are happen and also have that kind of person. And one more thing is like in any situation I will in bad situation, like I will in bad situation and he will not like live in any bad situation. I will tell you a story. Like there was a time when two boys asked study in a same school, and when there was a day like they will do bunk on a whole day. And when their mother and father know about it, they say like the Ram call me and say, will you go with me in bunk? So he said yes. When their parents know about it, then the Ram said no. He called me and he argument me with me. If you don't go with me, so I call you mother and father and talk these words you said to like this girl. So this types of things are happening in their life. So first, when the Ram and Mohan, when they both are going bunk in park, they sit and after the whole day they spent in park. After when they coming home, like during when they are walking road, the Mohan leave the Ram and the Ram walk and get his house. When the Ram said to his mother, good evening mother, and the mother said, where are you whole day? You come like evening. Where are you whole day? You are coming evening, and even you can't go in tuition classes. And when the Mohan like he visit their home and he calls to Ram and he say, where are you go? Where are you go? You leave me in mid bad situation. I think this type of persons are very danger for everyone. If anyone know give like anyone know will give like साथ support you in your bad situation. Such kind of persons are very danger for your life and even in own life. So thank you guys.